So if you're using Base44 and want to accept payments through PayPal, here's exactly how to connect them and what to do if PayPal doesn't appear. So the first step is logging into your Base44 account and open your project or store. And once on the website, you go here, and in here you search for payments or checkout settings. You might also find in here under the account settings as well. Then look for PayPal in the list of supported payments providers. Base44 does not always support direct PayPal integration, depending on your plan and region. And if PayPal is available, click on Connect. You'll be redirected to PayPal, log in and approve access. A PayPal business account is required here. And if PayPal does not appear, Base44 does not support native PayPal payments, you can use Stripe and accept cards, add a PayPal payment link or button, redirect users to PayPal checkout manually. And then you just test the payment, place a test order, and confirm the payment appears in your PayPal dashboard. And this is how PayPal works with Base44. Connect is directly if available, or use a PayPal link as a workaround. That's it for this one, guys. If this helps, leave a comment and also like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.